Hi, my name's Paul. I train Rocky Mountain horses, and I've had my share of accidents on the farm. One of my recent accidents left me without a tooth. Of course, that's pretty embarrassing, so I tried to smile without showing my missing tooth. The truth is, I had several teeth that were failing, and I just wanted my smile back. I came to Justice Dental because everyone had told me they were the best, and they had the entire team of experts here at one facility.
Hi, it's Dr. Justice and Dr. Thompson here at Justice Dental, and we're talking about Paul today, and you heard Paul's story of actually the treatment he needs, and in his case, removing the bad teeth, placing 6 implants, and being able to perform a beautiful hybrid denture that actually screws into those implants so it's something that doesn't come in and out.
Talk about a confidence booster. This is amazing. I cannot stop smiling.